To fix no charging problem on Redmi A5, in this guide I will quickly show you how you can try to fix this, including cleaning of the USB port. So first of all, if you're having a problem with the charging, you can try restarting your phone, turning it off and turning it back on, because sometimes when charging your phone there might be a problem with the power, like with the electricity actually, there might be a power shortage or anything like this, and for the security reasons your phone might actually turn off the USB port, and from there you will be not able to actually charge your phone, or also you will be not able to use USB sticks or plug it into your computer. The USB port will be simply disabled from using. So what you have to do is simply turn your phone off and turn it back on, and let me just quickly show you. Simply go into the power menu by pressing simultaneously the power button and the volume up button, just like this, and simply after this power menu press restart button, and from here your phone will restart, and after that you can try plugging your phone into this Type-C connector, and this might actually fix the problem. If not, you will have to actually actually clean the port. Yeah, I meant you have to actually clean the port. If it's not working, you simply have to first of all turn off your phone when proceeding to clean your USB port. After that, take a look at this USB port and make sure that there is actually any dirt, and the dirt might actually get in there simply by just using your phone like regular. It's a regular thing. It sometimes happens when you're just putting your phone into the pockets. Some junk out of the pockets might actually get into this port, and from here, as it is in the port, it might block the USB connector from going all the way in to the port right here, and it might also be a problem while trying to charge your phone or anything. So first of all, take a look at your port right here and make sure that there is any dirt and junk. I actually have some junk right here. It might be visible in this corner right here. And what I recommend you to use to actually clean your USB port is you can get yourself this kind of soft like cardboard, something like, as you can see, it is not really a paper, or it might be actually a pretty how can I say it, hard paper, and you can actually kind of get this type of paper from a business cards or anything like this, and you can make a little stripes out of this paper. And let me just quickly show you. I have this stripe right here already made it, and with this thing right here you can clean your port with no problem. I actually don't recommend to clean your port with anything made out of metal because it might damage your USB port or something like this. And also, if you are trying to use a toothpick to actually clean this port, it will not really work because the toothpick is too thick to actually fit into this port between the port itself and this plastic like thing inside the port, which has the pins to actually use right here for this port. So yeah, I recommend you to use this kind of paper stripes, and they work pretty well. I was cleaning previous phones a couple of different times with such paper, and it works pretty well. So what you have to do is simply grab this paper and insert it into this USB port, and from here it fits like all the way with no problem. And with this one you can actually take this junk from your phone with no problem. It might get out pretty easily, and I really recommend to use it. And simply what you have to do is just try to take it out, be patient, and also be how can I say it, don't actually rush it. It needs to take some time. If you're having problems with taking it out, simply be patient and not to damage anything inside this port. Take this paper strip in and make sure to actually the paper, the junk is on the other way of this phone, on this USB port so put this stripe in and try to take out this junk out of there like this. Like I'm having a problem to actually grab this paper stripe. It is kind of hard to grab it and clean it, but you have to put it all the way in, and from there try to take out this trash, and it might work pretty nicely. I can't really see anything right here. It's hard to see. Yeah, but basically this is the the method that you can try to actually clean this port. Let me actually take another stripe. This one is pretty much more hard and it might be better to take this one out. Oh, alright, as you can see, I managed to grab this somehow, this piece of junk right here, and it went out of there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you're having some kind of junk, I recommend you to use this kind of little paper stripes. They work pretty well, and simply be patient while trying to clean this port. Also, after actually successfully cleaning the port, make sure that there's nothing in there, and you can additionally blow into this port to get out some additional loose dust which might be inside this port. And from now on, let's take this USB cable, Type-C cable, and we will plug it into our phone, and it will go all the way in with no problem. Just like this, it is in, and it should work with no problem. So that's how you can do this.